Hey everyone, it's Jess with Jumpstart Mastery. Today we're here with our instructor, Hannah. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, Jess.
We have a couple questions for you. The first one is, what is your experience with crisis de-escalation and how did you apply the Jumpstart method before becoming an instructor?
My experience with crisis de-escalation comes from a healthcare perspective. I worked in dialysis for several years, and managing patients that have adjusted their lifestyle to living with chronic illness involve many other burdens. Sometimes mental illness, substance misuse, homelessness, and many other kind of lifestyle changes that accompany adjusting your entire life to a survival perspective in some cases. So in that setting, you are maintaining a long-term relationship with patients from a patient-provider relationship. And I found that using the Jumpstart method that kind of prioritizes validation as a big pillar was incredibly helpful in maintaining those long-term relationships. You see these patients 15 hours a week. And for them to be heard in their struggles and to not feel like they're being spoken down to when they have plenty of other relationships with healthcare providers outside of just that care setting is incredibly important for allowing them to feel seen and to feel like they have a safe place to come to receive their treatment. That's kind of my biggest realm of experience with crisis de-escalation because in a clinical setting, there's definitely a culture of complacency around how to manage crisis. So the Jumpstart method proved very helpful there.
All right, our next question, how do you apply the Jumpstart method today as an instructor?
Today, I would say that it's almost even more helpful in my personal life. While it is incredibly useful in professional settings, in personal relationships, in relationships that you want to maintain where most often respect is a priority and mutual respect um, in terms of validation and then also kind of seeing things on an equal playing field has been really important and helpful in my family relationships. And knowing that the tool is so versatile and where it can be applied is also just kind of a superpower in itself. So.
All right, one last thing. Can you give us a fun fact or something you like to do, just something for people to get to know you?
I'm a new mom,
Yay!
and that's been incredibly exciting and a huge blessing. So that's kind of where I'm at in navigating my life right now.
I love that. Well, that's everything for today. Thank you for being with us.